And somebody asked me what a Super 6 was. It's a Suzuki Super 6. It's a 150 horsepower motor. But the Super's got the 2 spark plugs per cylinder. I don't know why, but there's a bracket that holds that up. I took it off to disconnect some things down in there. But thinking about using this as my test motor. I've got to, of course, get a control unit, because the unit that was on it was a Johnson control unit. I don't know how they made that work. Got to get a prop for it. Somebody painted that mid and the lower black. I need to clean that up too. I need to rebuild the water pump and all that fun stuff. Even if it didn't need it, it's going to need it by now, or by the time I use it anyway. But it ain't too bad a shape. Price is right. Not sure what all that is. It's a plug to nowhere. Yeah, almost need to be a... Yeah, learning all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I need a Suzuki expert to get this one running again. I mean, it ran when I bought it, but I pulled it off the guy's boat and haven't fired it up since then. But yeah, 2 plugs per cylinder. That's why I say it's going to be an expensive tune-up. Got an outside trim switch. I don't think it's too bad a motor, not for the price. Still rather have a Mercury, but yeah, I gotta get some money first. To get it going though. Suzuki guys, do I need a Suzuki control box, or can I adapt a Mercury one to work? Because I've got half a dozen Mercury ones around here. It's got power trim. Anyway, yeah, I need a half bad motor for the price.